This is the revolutionary building industry design to protect the environment and to conserve energy. This is the quicker, leaner, smarter, and greener future of residential housing in Australia. This is InsuLiving. The insulated wall panel is made of lightweight materials with super material strength. With 2 workers, it can easily lift and transfer this material. These walls are available in 4 or 5 foot width dimensions. The flexible nature of the insulated wall panel ensures worker safety and product integrity. The material is also fitted to various wall contours that make the work simple and manageable. This walling system product is an advanced engineering design that takes the difficulty and inaccuracy out of home construction. Building construction, especially for residential areas, requires quality development, design, construction layout, improvement strategy, site selection, and location surface or subsurface site preparation, or any related work components. InsuWall design provides freedom of design, reduced costs, and building time and energy savings over the life of the home. The fully engineered insulated panels are easy and simple to install that form the thermal shell of the home from extreme hot and cold weather. The plastering of internal joints designed to protect the wall panels. The objective of plastering interior joints is to protect the surface against dust. It also improves the appearance of the surface by providing an even, smooth, regular, clean, and finished surface. Another importance is the base preparation for decorating the surface by applying whitewashing, painting, and color washing. Essence of hiding the lines or flaws that exist on the wall. Dulux Acrotex is the acrylic texture system that protects against unsightly rendered cracking and staining of the wall. The flexible texture coating is typically applied by medium texture roller and distributed properly to produce a light relief stipple profile. This will establish a better appearance on the wall. This process is applied to all areas and corners of the wall. The workers make sure that the wall has established the exterior durability clean and economical design. It requires skills training and hard work to get the job done. It is water-based and provides substrate protection and a decorative textural look to the wall. Another component of an insulated wall is the solar span. Solar span is combined roofing, insulation, and ceiling in one durable, functional, and attractive panel. It is an all-in-one faster to install compared to conventional roofing up to 50%. It also includes trusses and insulation. Compared to a traditional roofing system, it offers an attractive smooth ceiling without the need for plastering or painting, a superior thermal performance that maximizes the quality and integrity of the home. It is easy to install, roof screwing, and ready to gutter design, and it comes with a different range of colors, best for the choice of the customer. The installation of roofing with a solar span is an advanced design for any residential area. It is the next level of building construction founded with quality standards and integrity of the materials and design. Durability and flexibility are superb than traditional design and practice. Insul Living system is one of the best energy housing in Australia. With quality design, standard materials applications resulted in eco-friendly homes, which will keep your family comfortable every day. This building design is compliant and approved to the Building Code of Australia and is even acceptable in cyclonic regions. From location to the exterior and interior design, everything is perfect. The design maximizes and improves efficiency and reduces environmental impacts. This is the future of living. This is Insul Living. Architectural styles, both classical and modern, are the best in making the house more attractive and unique. The in-place pouring molds are filled with concrete by workers and dried for 48 hours to complete the drying process. This is the application of the most advanced method in creating beautiful fences for the exterior space of the house. The in-place mold is linked together by bolts, nuts removed thoroughly by the workers. The concrete that was applied formed the desired exterior decoration design. This is the new and innovative methods in exterior construction design made by Zig Hong Company. The methods of the filling together of the concrete with the molding and casting systems correctly in place. After removing the moldings, the finishing design of the exterior length of the house fences is very sharp and elegant with better cohesion, quality, and durability. The advantage of the in-place molding concrete exterior design is lightweight and safe in construction and use. This design is also fireproof, water, moisture, and mold resistant, smooth surface, sharp edges, and ensuring high aesthetics quality. The materials are high in durability with the construction methods applied to minimize the phenomenon of cracking and splitting joints. The CGM company is committed to delivering prime products and services to the infrastructure, building, and design industries, molds for concrete products. One of the company products is the inspection culvert with a removable cover. The workers secure the molding, oiling, and put the reinforcement placement to guide and control the movement of mold filling of concrete materials. Concrete vibration is a method to assist the concrete settling period that establishes long-term durability to the strength of the concrete. As wet concrete is poured, air bubbles become trapped within the mixture, creating cavities, resulting in cement's longevity and strength. This CGM machine is designed to make a vibro-compacted press mechanism that produces high-quality products to meet any customer's needs and specifications. Once the concrete is vibrated and pressed, the machine can overturn the molds 180 degrees, remove and place the vibrated concrete product on the ground. CGM machines keep a continuous production cycle using just one operator to control the machine and one operator on the forklift to load the machine with concrete. This process is drastically cutting down labor costs. The machine is interchangeable molds customized, designed, and manufactured following the demanding design of the customer. This is a compact machine for creating concrete and molds. The machine has a filler box that can move along the X and Y axis or position of the molds. The filler box is located in the frame filling and distributed the concrete to the scraping unit that provides a quick and clean concrete mold with the assistance of the workers. This filler box is easy to navigate and operate in distributing the concrete to the scraping unit. The machine compacts the concrete through the scraping unit operated by the worker. The machines can be fitted with a 1000 mm to 4000 mm vibrating beam that can lift and invert with a width of 1200 mm with a maximum height of 700 mm. After the mold has been filled and finished, a pallet can be rotated on the machine using a pallet lift or pallet crane. The machine will then place the product on the ground once it has moved from the scraping. The advantage of this is that the machine can be easily moved from one location to another. The machine can also be fully dismantled for transport in a container, after which the machine can be assembled and be ready for production within a day.